everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Vlogs. Today is Monday, September the 5th, and it is Labor Day. Happy Labor Day to you guys. Obviously, it's going to be over when you all are seeing it, but hope you had a happy Labor Day. And I'm going to show you how I spend my Labor Day in this vlog. I'm going to be doing some cooking, meal prepping, cleaning, just whatever else I get into today. And so I thought it would be a fun day to go ahead and vlog with you guys. Gonna be trying a new recipe, so that's gonna be awesome. I just thought I'd take y'all along for the ride. So yeah guys, let's just vlog and spend Labor Day with me. All right guys, good morning. Actually, it's not morning now. It's like 12:30 or so. It has been such a nice morning of just doing nothing, pretty much. I laid in bed and watched Disney Plus. Yeah, I'm owning it. I'm owning it. It's Labor Day. I actually took Labor Day off from work. I am filming this vlog, but these vlogs are really fun. They don't really feel like work. It's kind of just showing you guys a day in the life, as with like my main channel, which is my couponing channel. That's a lot of work, you know, prepping deals, coming up with ideas to talk about, things like that. So I went ahead and I was actually able to take the day off, which was really nice. I'm glad the schedule worked out like that. So technically it is a day off for me. So that gave me the opportunity just to relax and spend the morning relaxing. So that is what I did. But anyway, guys, we are going to be doing a few different things today. Going to be making a dessert for Labor Day. I am super stoked to try it. It is actually like a 4th of July dessert. It's called Red, White, and Blue M&M cookie bars. They look so good. Obviously it's not 4th of July, so I'm just not even gonna care. I'm just gonna throw the M&Ms in all the colors. I'm not gonna like pick out red, white, and blue, but I'm just gonna make the M&M cookie bars, and that'll be really good. I also need to do some meal prep. I'm actually gonna be meal prepping the next couple of days worth of meals, just to get it knocked out and out the way. We have some meat that needs to be cooked today, and that's not on the meal plan until Wednesday, what we're using that for. So I'm just going to go ahead and meal prep the next couple days worth of dinner, so it's done and out the way and just really nice. So that'll be good. And then, yeah, it is a very chill day. We don't have any like get-togethers or really anything going on. It's just going to be a fun day around the house, just relaxing and, you know, just kind of taking it easy. So I'll take you guys along. I do need to do some light cleaning. I need to put my stockpile stuff away, so that'll be fun. And I don't know, I'll just show you guys everything we do today. So now it is about 12:30. I'm going to grab something really quick for lunch, and I think I'm going to get started on meal prep, and I'll just take you guys along for that. So let's do that. All right, y'all, I got an exciting announcement that I just found out like 5 minutes ago, and that is that we've hit 1,000 subbies. Yes, that is so exciting. So we got 1,000 subscribers now over here on this channel. Oh, y'all are so nice. Thank you so much for joining me over here. I'm loving this channel so much, and that's what it's surreal. Like, it's been interesting starting over because I've built up my couponing channel. We're almost at 40,000 over there. And so starting over on this channel, I was nervous. I was nervous how it was going to work out, but I am so amazed that 1,000 of you guys, like, people on the couponing channel follow me for deals, but people over here just enjoy hearing me talk about my life or about things I found at the store or about recipes and just random stuff. 1,000 of you find interest in my vlogs, and it's such a surreal thing. Like, it shocks me sometimes that people find me interesting, but I love it. And I love making vlogs and sharing, and it's just, it's so exciting. So thank y'all so much. We'll have to do a giveaway or something. I know I want to do a Q&A video at some point too. It's awesome. Thank y'all so much. What kind of day would it be in Ohio if it wasn't just pouring down the rain? Because that's literally been like almost every single day this summer. It's ridiculous. So it's in the weather app, and it says we should get a little reprieve. Or I don't know about a reprieve. I think it's actually just going to stop at around 3. So here's hoping that it actually does stop so that we can go out and get some fresh air. That'd be nice. All right, y'all. It is almost 2 o'clock, and we are going to be working on meal prepping and stuff for the next couple of days. My mom is freezing the meat that we got from Whole Foods and Trader Joe's and all that, just getting that all froze, and that way when we need it, we can just pull it out. My grandma's been in here making potato salad for tonight's dinner, which is going to be awesome. Love her potato salad so much. And then I'm going to be working on a couple of things. So I'm going to be doing the M&M cookie bars. I'm actually going to be making meatloaf ahead. That's on the meal plan for Wednesday, but the meat actually, I literally just bought it like a couple days ago, and it's already going out today, which is crazy. So I don't want to freeze that, so we're just going to go ahead and make the meatloaf up today, get the meat cooked, and then reheat it up in a couple days. So we're going to do that, and then we're actually going to make tomorrow's dinner as well. Just knock that out because tomorrow is going to be busy, and my mom works tomorrow, so we just want to get it done so that everybody can just like heat it back up, or she can take it with her to work. So that'll be good. And then we're going to make the M&M bars for tonight, and then everything else for tonight's going to be really like easy, just like heating up baked beans and cooking hot dogs real quick. So that'll be good. But I wanted to try this Trader Joe's sparkling lemon and strawberry apple cider vinegar. Sorry, the ring's going off. The apple cider vinegar part throws me off, but I heard this is good, so let's see. Woo! Wow. That's a lot. Guys, this is just a letdown. This is a major disappointment. It says lemon and strawberry. I don't really get strawberry. I get more like a raspberry kind of deal, but it's mainly just apple cider vinegar. That's what overpowers it. I was expecting it to be like a lemon strawberry because that's what it shows, but no, it's like apple cider vinegar with a little splash of like raspberry in it. So no, I would never get that again. I saw somebody on YouTube say it was really good, but nope, I don't agree at all. Okay guys, making meatloaf here first for Wednesday's dinner. I'm following a recipe from Dorset Doorstep. My mom really loves her videos, and so we saw this recipe and it was like, man, that looks really good. So gonna make meatloaf, gonna try it her way and see how this turns out. I'll have the link to their recipe down below, but I'll show you guys how I make it. time here, we got baked beans going, and then we got hot dogs. So hot dogs, and then if anybody wants to, they can put chili sauce on it. We got the M&M bars, which are, oh, I'm so excited for those. We got onion for the hot dog, if people want that, I prefer that. And we got some chips here. And then we got my grandma's potato salad here. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I can never have like store-bought potato salad after eating this. It's a lot of work for her, but it is delicious. Delicious, delicious. So we are gonna eat soon. Super stoked. Then we got mom here doing the hardest part, the cleaning. Cleaning is annoying. I would rather cook than clean. So that's why I like to cook and you do the cleaning up. That's good partnership. Do any of you out there actually prefer cleaning? I don't understand, like, who on earth likes to clean? Cleaning is such a chore, but I guess there's people out there who really love it. So I don't know. I am not one of them. Done with dinner. Really good. Really enjoyed the all of it. Now the cookie bar, I would say I had a little bit higher expectations. It was pretty good, but I don't know. I don't know if it's something I'll make again or not. It was kind of like a cake.
More like cake.
It was pretty dry. Dad, what did you think?
It was good.
You liked it? We both agreed that the raw cookie dough actually tasted better than it done. That's our opinion. Seriously, I could have sat there and ate the raw dough, which I know is not really good for you, so try not to do that. But I did sneak in some licks of cookie dough. I like the raw cookie dough better. So anyway, we are gonna walk now, and yeah, that's what's up. It is now 8:03, and I want to go ahead and sit down here and wrap up this vlog for tonight. So I do hope y'all did enjoy the Labor Day celebration vlog. It was a pretty low-key day. Just all the meal prepping, which was awesome. We were all pretty tired by the time it was all said and done, because like I said, I did a lot of the cooking, but my mom and grandma did also help with several things, especially the cookie bar recipe. My mom helped a lot with that. And then cleaning and stuff. I like to cook, and I don't like to clean, so they always will help with cleaning and dishes and all that fun stuff. So yeah, it's a team effort. I'm a firm believer that no one person should be responsible for cooking and cleaning and stuff in a household. Like, it should be a team effort. If you all live here and you're all, especially if you're all adults, it should be a team effort. So that's kind of how we like to do things around here. Takes a village, right? So that's kind of how we do it around here. But it was really good. I love cooking a lot, and I've really loved, especially this last year, really kind of asked to do more cooking, as my mom, you know, she used to cook and clean and all that stuff, and I really tried to get more involved in it because I just really want to learn how to cook. I like cooking. I like to see, you know, I like to try new recipes and try new foods. And since I work from home and have a little bit more of a flexible schedule, like obviously I have things to do in a day, but it's, you know, I can work at night and have time to cook like for dinner or something. It's not like I'm getting off of work at 5:30 and having to come home and do dinner or anything like that. but I have a flexible schedule, so it's really allowed me to try more cooking, and I really love it. It's awesome. So yeah, but anyway, how did I get off on that? I don't know. But I really enjoyed cooking today, and it's tiring, but it's done for the next couple of days, which is awesome. So I'm really stoked. It was pretty cool. As we were making the meatloaf, my grandma was like, oh yeah, when I made it, I used to do it that way, and like giving tips and stuff that I'll know for next time. But I'm really excited for that. I'm going to top it with ketchup too. Just going to do that when we reheat it up in the oven. I'll just warm it up a little bit. We're just going to put some ketchup over top of it. So yeah, I wanted to do that so it was more fresher when we bake it on Wednesday. So we did all the meal prep, and then we had our Labor Day food, which was awesome. Then we went on a walk, which was good, and that brings us to now. So I'm going to go ahead and get this vlog finished and uploaded and ready to go, and that'll be good. I am going to be doing a Q&A video for my 1,000 subscribers. So we officially rolled to 1,000 subscribers, so that is awesome. I am going to be putting an open post. Actually, by the time you guys are seeing this, there's going to be a post over on my community tab here that you can leave any questions that you'd like to ask. So if you want to know a question about me, if you are from the couponing channel, I would ask that it is not a couponing question. I want it to be, you know, questions that kind of go along with what we're doing here on the vlog channel. So if you're interested, you know, just questions about me that aren't super personal, but just things you'd like to know about me, like, oh, what's your favorite food or recipe, or, you know, just random questions, anything about me, I would love to answer them. So I'm going to be doing a Q&A. So if you're interested, I would love to have you guys' questions. Go over to the community tab, and I will have a post that says I'm doing a Q&A. Leave your questions, and you can comment your question there, and I will be doing that video sometime during next week's lineup. So definitely ask away, and I would love to answer them. So yeah, guys, that's all I got for this vlog. I do hope y'all enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.